Hey John, this is Kirsten Dean. I'm going to give you your peer review here for our unit of instruction in Nursing 665. If you'll look down as we go through the first few, they look excellent. Your introduction to the unit of instruction was definitely clear and concise. You prepared the learners with a detailed overview of specific diagnoses that are keyed in on by CMS for readmission rates. You had your vocab there at the bottom. You captured your learner's attention. I would add the tech support contact information under your directions right after your name and contact numbers. For the Medicare.gov website, it was an interactive resource with current comparison data. Need to include an activity maybe that requires student interaction, maybe a group discussion, and that could be done online or in person. I did notice this when I was looking back over the rubric, that they do want us to provide a clear, measurable learning outcome, and they want us to put Bloom's level for the taxonomy, consideration of the learner behavior met, and the conditions and desired degree of competence. And if you take a look at this link below, it's very clear to understand. I just placed it at the end of the goal just for clarity. For example, you'll see there Bloom's taxonomy level 2 for comprehension. And if you go, I'm going to go up to this right here. This is the website I sent you to, and it's real clear. You just go down and find where your goal actually fits in on this level, and your level's here on the left underneath the level tab, and then it tells you what types of things would fall into that category. That helped me out a lot of making sure that I had the right information there. If you go down a little further, everything looks good. I didn't do the video link for the post-hospital syndrome, and I thought that was a really informative video. Also, is there any audio on your Prezi? I didn't get anything when I was doing it. I didn't know if it was just for information. I didn't see that there was a discussion question present. And I know that you didn't have as many options with the standard version, but you made the most of the method to include your essential critical elements. And then your project was easy to understand with a very relevant topic in today's nursing environment. Well-written educational model. Your resources were informative with excellent support data for the need, I need to rewrite that, for this educational presentation. Included 2 vokies and a Prezi. You mentioned Glogsters in the to-do list, and they need to be added to the resources page. A discussion question, as I mentioned a moment ago, should be added with the requirements posted in an additional section on one of your tabs. And see number 10 that we talked about, that link to look at. Overall, I think your project was great, and I think you did a good job bringing all of your elements together.